lolly fair. I tell you that what? We are under the car, so I shouldn't spoke. I shouldn't spoke. You tell me, I tell you, say let's take trotro. You say you want VIPs, eh? Now see the money. Now see they take everything, eh? Now they take everything. Right now, what I want to eat, eh? What I want to eat. How can I satisfy?
Just get to this
Always you are balancing me. If I spoke, you said I'm no good.
Stop speaking.
Hey, babe, they have sockets under here.
Yes, I know.
Hey, VIPs is good though. Oh, baby.
No. It's your phone.
Hey, my phone is a fool.
Yeah! 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 Sister, in class, the man was okay. I found out you were now on your banner, a high kitchen. There's a mood they had in the kitchen. Grab away.
He shock you.
From where now who got friends and saying
He shock you.
I said, grab away.
What? This Africa, man. You can't do that in America.
He shock you.
Can see that.
Mate, grab away because I said, man, of course, one can. Now you're not okay.
I want to just steal my rights.
Now, find what you say now. We are our boss.
No.
Oh, have patience, eh? Oh, have patience, eh? You are a little perplexed.
Madam, you're our boss. Hey.
Came with my food. Hi guys, it's your girl Lovia Enchi, aka Misslondon, or you can call me Lady Trump, but popularly known as Misslondon. Please, I am an actor, so please, if you love me and you love my videos, you want to laugh and enter the facility, please just like my page on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. In fact, all social media. See the screen, you see my page. See, just like my page, and like, please. I'm in Nigeria and I want to marry in Nigeria. So please, just like, take your kokromoti, liking my page. Thank you for popping me and I'll let you laugh in the facility.